Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going out to shoot two Porsches in Hong Kong. The shoot was set up by Willis.Newman. I will link him below, and everybody else that was there I will link below. This was part of the workshops that we were holding in Hong Kong, and there will be more of these coming up in the future. So if you're interested, make sure you're following me on all the socials. So what was the gear that I've used in this video? I used this, which is the 35 to 150 f2 to f2.8 lens from Tamron, and I've also used this, which is the 12-24 f2.8 from Sony. Yes, it is the G Master one. Both incredible lenses. Now, the 35 to 150 f2 to f2.8 lens is definitely the lens that is living on my camera the most, and throughout this video you'll see a bunch of different shots from this as well as the wide. Now, when you're going out to shoot car photography, you want to take a range of different photos. So having a super wide all the way to compression at 150 is super useful because it means I can get a variety of shots, which you'll see in this video. All of the photos in today's video are edited with my new presets, which are down in the description. If you have bought my presets before, I have sent you an email with a discount code because there is 30 new presets that I'm releasing today. Down in the description is the 30 new presets. If you want to get the discount code because you've bought from me previously, go and check the email that you used when you purchased from me before. Let's get into the video and see some of the photos that I took. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're out with the Sony A7R5 and the 35 to 150 f2.8 and f2 to f2.8. We're up on this rooftop in Hong Kong shooting this Porsche and this other Porsche, but we're here with the group that we're here with in Hong Kong. Again, everybody that's here, I will link below. Go and check out their work because they'll also be posting photos of these cars on their Instagram feeds. So everybody that's here, go and check them out because all their work is really good. So head down in the description and go and check out everybody's work. We're going to be getting some shots of the cars, enjoying the atmosphere and just walking around. I'm going to get something a little bit different. I'm going to go 0.4 per second, f4 ISO 100, and as the screen goes black, I'm just going to move the camera. So as it goes black, we're just going to move the camera and it's going to take a little bit of a different photo. So keeping with the same idea, we're going to get a bit closer, going to go on the left hand side. So they're coming to the rear left of the car. And then I'm going to kind of poke the screen down like this, and again, same principle. As it goes black, I'm going to change. So as it goes black, I'm going to move the camera. Oh, okay, that's cool. A little bit different, but that's what we want. Yeah. What are you thinking?
In all, so you're trying to get your first 4 shots. Let's just say you're doing an automotive shoot for someone.
Yep.
You get your first 4 shots, front quarter, rear quarter, side profile, whatever it is. Is there a specific sort of angle, low down, like?
So I typically come for the
typical focal length.
I go to the 4 points of the car initially. So each headlight come out from the side, and then line up the. So I think from here I'm a bit too high. So the car looks a bit weird, so I'd probably get down to be eye level with the car. Typically, yeah. And I think, you know, and the reason I do that is because I can see what part of the car looks the best. You know, what's the selling point? The selling point of this car is not the front, it's the rear. So I would focus on the rear to showcase the mood of the car and the aesthetics. Same with this, the rear of this is actually really nice. So I typically focus on trying to tell the story of the car from behind, as if somebody's looking at it. It's about getting like dynamic shots as well. Like,
I'm interested.
Doing this type of thing is it's good, but what would set it off is like going out with a second car and getting like rollers and that type of thing. That's where like the money is. Okay, as you can see, we've just moved location of the car, so being here and then shooting down this way is going to create this really cool like compression shot with the backlights. I'm just thinking I might just go on this wall here and shoot down towards the car because I think it'll look pretty cool. So in terms of exposure, because it's a lot darker here than it was around there, I've gone ISO 800, 10th of a second, f2.8. So I've just moved on a little bit just to get a bit of foreground action going on. So I'm using this as kind of a frame to frame the Porsche. Okay, so we just added a light into the rear of the car, just to add a bit more colour to the shot. Okay, sweet. I'm going to get a shot of this car here as well, which is a bit of a look down shot. So the shot that I want to get, that's fairly stable. So it's always really important to get like different types of angles of the cars that you're shooting, because you want to make sure that you're getting as many different perspectives as possible. I just wish you had less clothes on. Okay, so I'm going to jump back up here again because I want to get a 12mm shot, maybe looking through that up there. So okay, so I'm going to use this one here at 12mm. Okay, so I've stood up on this thing here. I'm going to get a super wide shot using this as a bit of a frame. Okay, so we're just going to get some wide angle shots here as well before we head off. Will's sat inside as a good model. So you're here, so if I go around the front, I'm not in the shot right here. So again, manual focus, pulling focus onto Will in the car. So I've just got a shot of Will and now it's super loud here. I'm just going to get a quick interior shot before I move on, because we're pretty much done. I'm just getting some last minute shots before we head back to the hotel. It is so loud, that droning noise is not fun. I feel myself going deaf just listening to it, oh my god. Like I said at the beginning of the video, these are the two lenses that I used, the 12-24 f2.8 and the 35-150 f2 to f2.8, both really good lenses. Again, all of the photos in today's video were edited in my presets. Link in the description for the new presets. There's 30 new ones. If you've bought from me before, you get a discount code, which will give you a discount to the current ones. So check out your emails or go down, description, link, etc. I just want to say a massive shout out to Willis, who obviously set this shoot up. I'll link him down in the description along with all the other boys that I ran the workshop with and all the other people that were on the workshop in Hong Kong. They're all linked below. Go and have a look at their socials. They've all taken some shots of the same cars and you'll get to see a different creative style than what I've done. Again, presets, description down there. Go and check them out. And if you have any comments or any questions about car photography, drop it down in the comment section because I've done quite a bit of car photography over the years. And I'm pretty sure I can help you out. With all that being said, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Head over to Instagram and go and join my broadcast channel over on Instagram because I'll be holding giveaways on that channel. So if you want to be a part of those giveaways, that's the only place that I'm going to be releasing most of them anyway. So head over to Instagram, go to the broadcast channel and make sure you are following me there. I will also obviously be announcing some giveaways here on the channel, which will be coming up in the next few months. I've got some big ones planned, so make sure you are subscribed, notification bell, all that stuff, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram at Optical Wanderer. With that being said, create more, stress less. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Pick up that camera, go outside, and go shoot.